Another month and another roundup from our workshop. It has been again a busy couple of weeks. We have been working on many Porsche cars. Last video was more like BMW focused. I think this month was more Porsche, and again, many 992 GT3 RSs. The cars are coming in like literally every other day. We're doing tires, we're doing brakes, we're doing alignments, all the stuff that you know. In this case, very cool Romanian car. It's here for a brake refresh, mounting tires, all this stuff that you might need if you're here doing a track day with your car. Now, however, the topic of this video is not this 992 GT3 RS. The topic of this video is the mid-engine platform, because we had two very interesting mid-engine cars. The first car is the car of Andrius. It is a GT4 RS that actually happens to be the first GT4 RS that we had in our workshop at the start of last year. And it is a car that we did our handling package, so basically tow links, top mounts, aggressive alignment, Nankang CRS tires. And Andrius is a guy that drives a lot. He went out, he drove the car hard, he finished a set of tires, and then he came back and he said to us, I think I need a more aggressive setup. this is what we actually love, you know, like having the customers in, having like a base setup, sending them out, they put a couple of laps in the car, and then we tailor the setup to the wear and the use of each driver, you know, not one set of numbers, generic, that works for everything, but basically a custom setup for you, for what you need, for your style of driving. And talking about this, we're going to jump to the next thing, which is José's car. Honestly, a couple of weeks back, we did José's black GT4 RS. We did that same handling package, tow arms, top mounts, and of course, an aggressive alignment. And José is a very cool track guy. He drives a lot. He comes here, he does like 600 kilometers in every visit, you know. He does plenty of laps. And he comes from a 992 GT3, so he was not very happy with his GT4 RS stock. So even with a more aggressive alignment, he thought that the car was not there. So he actually wanted to push on the next step. And again, we recommended to him that this probably would be going to a full suspension kit. As you know, we have our GT4 RS TDS. That's exactly this. It's basically, it has KW competition coilovers and upgraded aero and so on and so on. And I think he wants to go towards that direction. So he started by getting a set of coilovers. In this case, he wanted to go with Öhlins. So we got a set of Öhlins TTX for him. It's a shock that we absolutely love. We love the TTXs on our GT7 M2. So I believe that this is going to be also like a very exciting thing. So basically we're trying that out, and we're generally working like with many different things. We had cars here with Bilstein and Trackteam. We're actually working with all this stuff. Setup is a bit of a black art in a way, but at the same time, it is something very specific. At the end of the day, it's spring rates, and all suspensions can be revolved and get towards the direction that you want. Especially like these very high-end shocks that they have all this latitude in their damping, you know, they can actually cover 100% even the most demanding track day user. So with the correct ride heights, corner weights, and alignment, I believe you can make both cars equally fun. And maybe we can even test this down the road. You know, like maybe we can have like our KW car and our Öhlins car out on track and drive them back to back. If you guys want to see something like this, we probably would love to make this happen. So basically that's that. Again, we do not operate with a fixed recipe here. We are open to hear your feedback, to understand your car and help you actually make it better. We start from a very tame base alignment normally if we don't know the customer, and then we go to a more aggressive setup. And I think you also benefit by trying your car in every in-between step, and in the end you end up with a car that you feel comfortable, because especially for hobby drivers, for amateur drivers like all of us, you know, it is very important that you have a car that gives you confidence and helps you go faster. So that is basically the goal of what we do here in that alignment rack, and that is that for this video. That's for this month. There's much more things coming, and again, if you have anything that you need to do in your track car, be it a Porsche, BMW, or something JDM, we are here for you, and see you on the next one.